Hello all, this is continuation video of our FPV beginner drone guide. This is going to be the part 2 video. In part 1 video, we decided to go with Express ELRS controller along with liftoff as simulator for practicing on system. So in this video, we will be talking down the things what are all needed to start the hobby. So if you are comfortable with simulator thing, if you like how you are experiencing the flying a drone in simulator, then you can follow along this video. So as discussed in our previous video, so the Express ELRS controller that I have chosen or I highly recommend is Jumper T-Lite version 2. Hands down, this is the best Express ELRS controller that you can get currently in the market in a good budget friendly way. So coming to the drone part, so I highly recommend choosing the drone which is small, like mini quadcopters or small drones, rather than going for a bigger one. Reason for me to suggest the smaller ones are you can fly these drones indoor and outdoor without of much effort. So my recommendation is going with small drones. As you get comfortable, you can level up and you can step up upgrading your drones, but highly recommend choosing a small drone. But if you are someone like me who just want to jump into high-end freestyle drones, so there will be three freestyle drones, which are 3-inch freestyle drone, 5-inch freestyle drone, and 7-inch freestyle drone. In my case, I have chosen 5-inch freestyle drone. So this is the drone I have personally chosen for my hobby. So it is from Darwin FPV. This drone is called Johnny 5. So this is bind and fly drone. So basically bind and fly drone is something you get a receiver attached from the company itself. So you don't need to shoulder and deal with any of those things. So this is ELRS receiver attached one from Darwin and the model name is Johnny 5. So once you have this receiver ELRS attached bind and fly drone, you need to pair your Jumper T-Lite version 2 to this drone so that these two are compatible. So binding this drone and controller is another process that you need to follow, but I will try to cover that in later on video. For this video, I will just keep short the things required to get your hobby started. And coming to the propellers, I did choose Garmin Gemfan Hurricane. So these are the propellers that I have chosen for this 5-inch drone. And the FPV monitor, basically these are called FPV monitor and also called as FPV goggles. So I have chosen Inshine FPV monitor. So this is also the budget friendly one. So just to get yourself experienced, I highly suggest to keep your budget as low as possible so that you can get yourself habituated to outside flying the drone, and then later on you can once you are experienced, you can later on step the game up by upgrading each and everything. So for this drone, uh, we need to choose the batteries. So in FPV world, people usually you go with lithium polymer batteries. The thing with lithium polymer batteries are they are more susceptible to fire. So I did initially go with lithium polymer batteries, but later on decided that for this hobby I don't want to risk any of those things. So I have chosen to go with lithium ion batteries. So this is the lithium ion battery that I will be using. So these are from China Hobby line. This is 3200 mAh 4 cell battery. So 4 cell battery are required for 5-inch freestyle drone. So I don't think so as a beginner to go with lithium polymer battery. So just choose lithium ion battery to start off with. So no risk of fire, but I am not saying it completely eliminates it, but compared to lithium polymer batteries, these lithium ion batteries are safer when we compare it with fire. Like lithium ion are more have more stability than lithium polymer. So choose lithium ion if you want to choose lithium polymer, but make sure you take proper precautions while charging and discharging. So that is the one thing I suggest. So my highly recommendation is to start off with lithium ion battery. You don't need to risk anything for this hobby. So coming to the charger, so we need a special chargers for charging these lithium ion batteries. If not lithium ion, if it is a lithium polymer batteries also. So this is the like balance charger that I will be using. It is from Sky RC iMax B6 version 2. So this can charge lithium ion lithium polymer batteries as well. So the input for this is 11 to 18 volt. So you need to get all the extra things for this, but what I decided to go is I have got this connector, PD connector with type C. So this why I have chosen is wherever you see you will always find type C charger. Even this type C charger I can charge this in my car. So I have chosen this mini adapter which converts the PD circle pin to round pin to type C. So this is the balance charger that I will be using. So these are the things that are required to start your FPV hobby. I will add all these links in the description so that you can understand and get more information on further more details. So charging this is you need to plug hook up these in this in this direction. You will have this is output and this side is input. So just to recap this video, the first thing is suggestion to go with mini freestyle mini drones, not like big drones. So if you decided to go with like bigger drones, 5-inch, 3-inch and 7-inch are your options. In my case I did choose 5-inch Darwin FPV drone. It is Johnny 5. And for controller I went with Express ELRS version 2 controller, jumper T-Lite. For charging, I did go with Sky RC iMax B6 version 2. And batteries, I am using lithium ion batteries, not lithium polymer batteries. So lithium ion, I am using it for safety reason. These doesn't give as much performance as lithium polymer, but I am okay to compromise there rather than safety. And propellers, I am going with Gemfan Hurricane. And goggles and FPV monitor, I will be choosing Eachine one. So this is the budget friendly ones. So all these that I have shown you in this video are budget friendly and will keep your cost down, keeping you good to start the hobby with. Later on, if you decided to upgrade, you can gradually upgrade once you are comfortable flying the drone outside. Thank you all. Signing off.